For centuries, scissors have been an essential tool in every household, but few people know the shocking secrets behind their incredible sharpness. Scissors have been a staple in every household for centuries, with ancient civilizations using primitive versions to cut fabric, hair, and even metal. Despite their ubiquity, scissors remain a mystery to many, with people often taking them for granted until they break or lose their sharpness. However, the science behind scissors is far more complex and fascinating than you might think, and it all starts with the materials used to make them. High-carbon stainless steel, for example, is the preferred material for scissors because of its exceptional strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion. But what really sets scissors apart is the way they are designed to cut, with the blades working together in harmony to create a precise and efficient cut. But that's not the strangest part. The way scissors are designed to cut also has a significant impact on the environment, with the production and disposal of scissors contributing to waste and pollution. It's like a fine-tuned machine, where the scissors blades work together in perfect synchrony to cut through even the toughest materials with ease. But did you know that the sharpness of scissors depends on the way they are sharpened, with some methods being more effective than others? For example, whetting, which involves sharpening the blade with a whetstone, can be more effective than honing, which uses a series of small strokes to sharpen the blade. Scissors is but what really sets fascinating scissors imagine being able to apart. Imagine being way they are able to sharpen your design to adapt to scissors to a precise degree different scissors to a precise degree materials, with the angle and pressure used to sharpen the blade affecting the final sharpness of the scissors. Scissors imagine being able to apart imagine being way they are able to sharpen your design to adapt to scissors to a precise degree, with the ability to adjust the angle and pressure to achieve the perfect cut.
But what really sets scissors apart is the way they are designed to adapt to different materials, with some scissors being better suited to cutting certain materials than others.
For example, hair scissors are designed to cut hair with precision and accuracy, while garden scissors are designed to cut through thick branches and leaves with ease. It's like having a specialized tool for every task, with scissors being the ultimate multi-tool for any household or professional setting. But did you know that the lifespan of scissors depends on how well they are maintained, with regular cleaning and storage extending the life of the scissors? For example, storing scissors in a dry place and cleaning them regularly can help prevent rust and corrosion, extending the life of the scissors. The science behind maintaining scissors is fascinating, with the right cleaning and storage techniques making all the difference in extending the life of the scissors. Imagine being able to extend the life of your scissors by years, with the right maintenance techniques making all the difference in their longevity. But what really sets scissors apart is the way they are designed to be repaired, with some scissors being easier to repair than others.
For example, scissors with interchangeable blades can be repaired by simply swapping out the blade, while scissors with fixed blades may require more extensive repairs.
It's like having a spare part waiting to be used, with scissors being the ultimate repairable tool for any household or professional setting. But did you know that the design of scissors affects their repairability, with some scissors being more difficult to repair than others? For example, scissors with complex mechanisms may be more difficult to repair than scissors with simple designs. The science behind designing scissors for repair is fascinating, with the right design making all the difference in their repairability. Imagine being able to repair your scissors with ease, with the right design making all the difference in their repairability. But what really sets scissors apart is the way they are designed to be sustainable, with some scissors being more eco-friendly than others. For example, scissors made from recycled materials or with minimal packaging can be more sustainable than scissors made from new materials or with extensive packaging. It's like having a sustainable option for every task, with scissors being the ultimate eco-friendly tool for any household or professional setting. But did you know that the production of scissors affects their sustainability, with some manufacturers being more environmentally friendly than others? For example, Manufacturers that use renewable energy or reduce waste in their production processes can be more environmentally friendly than those that do not. The science behind designing scissors for sustainability is fascinating, with the right design making all the difference in their environmental impact. Imagine being able to reduce your environmental impact with every cut, but their design and production have a significant impact on the environment. Scissors are an essential tool in every household, but their design and production have a significant impact on the environment. By choosing scissors that are designed with sustainability in mind, we can reduce our environmental impact and make a positive difference. The right scissors can make all the difference in our daily lives, from cutting hair to pruning plants. So next time you reach for your scissors, remember the science behind them and the impact they have on the environment. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and join our journey of discovery.